Understanding the phrase, years well spent. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, years well spent. This phrase is not just about time, but about the quality and value of that time. So, if you're ready to dive into this meaningful expression, let's get started. Years well spent combines two key elements, years and well spent. Years refers to a long period of time, not just days or months, but several years. Well spent suggests that this time was used in a valuable, productive, or fulfilling way. Together, the phrase implies that a significant amount of time has been used effectively or has brought fulfillment. This phrase is often used in situations where someone reflects on past experiences or achievements. Let's look at some examples. 1. After retirement. Looking back on his 30 years in teaching, Mr. Johnson felt it was years well spent, shaping young minds. 2. In personal growth. She spent 5 years traveling the world, and it was years well spent, learning about different cultures and herself. 3. In relationships. Their golden anniversary marked 50 years well spent together, filled with love and companionship. In each example, the phrase highlights a positive and meaningful use of time. Years well spent carries emotional weight and is often used in reflective and celebratory contexts. It's a way to acknowledge that the time someone has invested in a particular aspect of their life has been worthwhile. This phrase is commonly found in speeches, retirement messages, and even in obituaries, as a way to honor and recognize a life well lived or a career well fulfilled. And that's all about years well spent. It's a beautiful phrase that celebrates the meaningful use of our most precious resource, time. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, it's not just the years in your life, but the life in your years that truly counts. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.